Hi friends, Rupa here, and I'm going to share some different recipes. This recipe, I was just sharing it with a friend over a walk yesterday, and she just rang me up today and she said it was a hit with her daughter. It's a very different recipe where the normal you put a chutney in a sandwich, but I'm going to put a spread here, and it's going to be very healthy for the children, and I'm sure they're going to love it. Though the name says it's creamy, but it's the healthy version and I'm not using any cream here. But this is a nice soft tankard which I have here. As I said, it's really healthy and carrots are not eaten by the kids, but you can add some grated carrot. It's very tasty and it looks also very colorful. For seasoning, some salt and some pepper. I have some chopped parsley here. In case you don't have fresh herbs, you can use even dried herbs, but I have a few fresh herbs here. So some thyme and some rosemary. You can just shred it and put. It has a lovely aroma and it's really cool. It gives a nice cool effect with the dressing that I'm making. So just mix it. So I'm using the healthy bread here, as you can see, brown bread. And let's add some butter. On one side of the sandwich, I have applied butter, and on the other side, I'm applying this spread that we have made. It's not a bottle spread. I've made the spread, so it's a healthy spread. And as I said, the children, in between the tiffin, sometimes you have to give them a big tiffin, like a proper lunch tiffin, or you have to give a small tiffin. They have, those 2 recesses, or they have some half days. So this really makes up for a nice meal because it's got bread, it's got this lovely spread that is very healthy, and you can load it with whatever veggies you want. Like today, I'm loading it with tomatoes and cucumber. As I said, you can even put boiled potatoes. You can put spinach in the spread. But always cucumber and tomatoes are always there in our fridge. So if it's a Monday morning and you really don't know what to make, the sandwich comes really handy because with basic ingredients, you can make something really, really tasty. Salt and pepper is already there in the spread, so you need not add over the cucumber or the tomato because they really sweat out and the sandwich becomes a little soggy. So if you try to add the salt and pepper in any of your spread, it's a better way of not letting the sandwich sweat. So the sandwich is done, and as I said, it's for a kid. Let's give it a little shape or make it into small finger bite sizes so it's easier for them to eat it in the tiffin. So I have a cookie cutter here. I'm just going to cut it into this diskettes so they're easy for them to lift and eat it. So the tiffin is ready. Let's pack it. And on the top, I'm giving some wafers or potato chips. And I've put a ketchup in a pouch because it will be less messy. You can always put it in small containers. They're all available in the market. So the tiffin for the bacha is ready. It's a mother-to-mother recipe. And your kids are going to just love it. It's a healthy version of a sandwich. Please share this with your friends, subscribe and like it.
For more such delicious recipes, stay tuned to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana.